we booked it last minute, right?
Yeah, right,
that's why. So then that's all they had left.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'll go.
一緒に助けてあげたい。
行ってくるね。
Okay. Hello, people.
Yosh. Oh, you guys want to try this? Because I had McDonald's breakfast.
This is my, on my face.
あー、かわいいかわいい。
かわいいです
みたい。かわいい。あ、スパイスチキン。Did you try it?
Wow.
I got one piece,
Thank
one
you
piece for you
so
guys.
much. Wow. Thank you.
ありがとう。
What time did you get here?
Because I didn't want to be squished in the train.
Yeah,
I got
yeah.
here. I went really early.
Yeah.
I got here like
偉いわ、
Seven?
むずみ。
7 something. That's why I was just like,
Wow.
okay, I chill with street.
Ah, okay, okay.
やること
Okay.
なかった。
確かに。
でもそれで朝早く起きれるのはすごい。
ね。
頑張ったよ。そうだもん。昨日ほら、
昨日なんか配信
レトロとかみんなでね。
そうだよね、楽しそうだった。
Yeah, Retro say he's jealous that we're going on a trip. よし、じゃあ。
You need help?
Yeah, you should help. You know she's a foreigner.
Hey!
We gotta help her today. Hi. Oh, you don't know that. Oh. Your mom almost killed you. What the hell? Hello? Is it working? Is it working? Hello, Lascia. Hello. We good now. Okay. We good now. Nice to meet you, people. I am your daddy. No, I'm not. It's me. I am. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Nice to meet you, people. Nice to meet you. Good to see you, people. You look different today. Hey, what's up, Vicky? Hey, I'm gonna start my stream now. そうなんじゃなくてただぼっこり先に死なないでほしい。Oh, what title should I make? Yeah, want us to send the raid over while Zumi is looking? No, not yet. It takes some time. We're gonna wait, and of course you gotta say bye bye, or you gotta say hi to Zumi. Title: Taking a Foreigner Around. Sounds good. One foreigner and animal. Actually, tanuki means raccoon, right? Taking a foreigner and one animal trip. Maybe. Hachi. So hot today, man. I think I made it a super simple title earlier. Let's see. Gaijin Raccoon Stream. Road trip to Tochigi. Hotter than normal. It's like a summer today, really. It's so hot. It's like a real summer. Tochigi road trip with friends. Not with friends, like Japan. Japan. Tochigi road trip. It sounds actually so boring, but it's going to be. I mean, I will wait to Zumi or Tanuki later again, so we're gonna rotate little, maybe not little by little, but so I take the most boring part, right? I will do drive riding stream. Riding stream. I will do. これで OK. And then little bit enjoy the sightseeing area. Then toast to maybe Tanuki, and then we're gonna stream later at night. We're gonna stream at the hotel. Little by little. 何これ? I think it's gonna work. Ohayo gozaimasu. Just set it to 2 girls, 1 job, and you will get all the coomers. No, I don't want audience like that. It's okay. There will be like a, no, it's going to be just awkward. They will try to make something. I don't like it. It's okay. I can't handle coomers. Difficult. Shh. I can put it in. Start. OBS. Right. So I think it's working. I think it's working now. Are we working now? Let's see. Oh, it's working now. Okay. What is this, by the way? Ah, hey, Zumi left one piece each. One for me, one for Tanuki. Is that what she said? What Sony action cam has your own name on it? Ah, no, this is actually just a case. This guy, Godzilla created this. It's like a 3D printing cover. Yeah.